Currituck County built the Public Safety Center because of the need, first of all, to get our Sheriff's Department into a state-of-the-art facility out of different places that they were spread around the county. It also allowed for us to put together other public safety organizations such as our Emergency Management Department, Central Communications, Forest Service, Highway Patrol, Emergency Medical Services, all of those agencies that work together and respond together, able to be in one building for furtherance of their mission.
Public safety building has been a huge benefit for the Sheriff's Office as well as the community. It's allowed us to have and use more of our resources in one location.
I'm the chief of the Fire EMS Department, so we provide advanced life support and emergency medical services to the entirety of Currituck County. In addition to that, we provide fire suppression response in 2 districts in the county, those being Corolla and Knott's Island. I've been with the county for 11 years, and it's been a tremendous advantage to having all of the public safety entities under the same roof as far as our collaboration with each other and interdepartmental and interagency communication and working together and that sort of thing. It's been tremendously beneficial. We were spread out quite a bit, and communication was much more difficult. Of course, you can make a phone call, but it's so much better being able to walk down the hall and have a face-to-face interaction with your team member.
In my 20 years that I've been here, we started out in a small jailer house where our 911 has expanded, and it didn't fit us all anymore, emergency management and 911. So eventually the emergency management portion had to move over into the historic courthouse. So the department was split into 2. And then we were nowhere near the EMS staff or the Sheriff's Office staff. So it really made us disjointed. And coming here into this building has brought us all under the same roof and able to communicate with each other even better. Before we opened this Emergency Operations Center, we operated out of the historic courthouse in the Commissioner's meeting room, which involved all of us going in there, stacking up chairs, replacing tables, and setting up the room so that 20 to 30 people can go in there and be in the same room to walk through the disaster that's impending. It's very important when there's an event happening and the people responsible for responding to that need to get together quickly. It's so much easier to come to this building and go to one of our offices and meet up and talk about it and make the plans from there on how we respond. This is our Emergency Operations Center. And we will, it's nice that we're here in the same building, but when there's say a hurricane coming, it's best that we're all sitting at the same table and we bring in other partners as well. The county administration comes in, the public works folks come in, DSS, Department of Social Services, and we just have the ability for all of us to be on the same page and work together. Historic courthouse, we were there for the duration of the event. So that could be 12 hours, it could be 72 hours. It was all dependent on the event that moved through the county. When we were there for 72 hours, we needed places to sleep, and we ended up converting offices into sleeping quarters. And that got pretty difficult to do. People weren't getting quality sleep, and trying to sit through the Emergency Operations Center for many hours past what was good for their health. So we do have bunk rooms here that will give a quiet space for folks to go to rest. We have a nice kitchen area that we're going to be able to bring in some people to cook for us. We have plenty of refrigerator space to stock up for 4 or 5 days worth of food if we can't get out to grocery stores or wherever we need to get to. So we're really self-contained here, that we can operate and continue county operations to continue to serve our community.
This building is something that the people of Currituck County invested in and put their money in to the tune of approximately $24 million. And so it is a facility that the county and its residents in particular who paid for it should be very proud.